as a matter of strategy. APC did their flag off. APC went to the east. After they have gone, we have now gone. Is the difference not clear? We have eroded everything they did. Unfortunately, because we strategized properly, they cannot have another flag off. And they cannot go back again and have another rally in the east. We have cemented whatever they have done. Those who are saying we are not serious are now the ones saying that PDP is the party to. And I don't want you to be worried about those who left this party. I made a special prayer with fasting to God Almighty. And I said, anyone who will collect my money and use it to work against me, God should help me uproot. So those who left the party are actually answers to prayer. They are answers to prayers. Anybody you see that have gone, it's God that helped us to pursue them. And every one of you know that I've never played politics with leaders. That's why I have no godfather. I only have God the Father. I've never played politics with leaders. I play politics directly with the people. Directly with the people. And that strategy will not change. As I am here, I'm already smelling Lugard House. By the time we do our West rally tomorrow, we would have nailed the coffin of all these political parties that have no fallopian tube. Initially, they were shouting Muri, 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 Igala agenda. After our Ankpa rally, even the social media, is everything not cool? SDP was supposed to do their zonal West rally yesterday in Kaba. We wrote to the police that we wanted to do our rally in Kaba on Thursday. When we got to the Commissioner of Police, he said, please, SDP already wrote before us. And they are also going to use the same stadium that we want to use on Thursday. So we said, no problem. We will shift our own to Saturday. But yesterday, Mori was in Kaba. But the program could not hold. He slept in the hotel and left. And said they will come back and do road show. Why did you think that happened? Because when you had 2 weeks, 3 weeks to the election, water will always find its level. Water will always find its level. By next week, we'll be winning the election before the election. So I don't want the people of Lokoja to be troubled. There's no reason for any fear or acrimony.
Yes, so
don't be bothered, don't be disturbed. This election is our election. There are a lot of things we will not say. But when action happens, you will say, so that's why, okay, you will understand.
yes, so
We are not behind. We are not behind at all. We are even ahead of every other party today. We are ahead of every other person.